Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Arshad. In the previous video, we discussed some basic laws of the exponents and solved first part of question 1 of exercise 2.4. Now we'll solve some other parts of question 1. You can easily solve part 2. Here I'll solve the part 3. Simplifying this, we can write x power minus 2, y power minus 1, z power minus 4, power minus 3 divided by x power 4, y power minus 3, and z power 0 is 1. We know that. And this is the whole power minus 3. Here we use the property a divided by b whole power n is equal to a power n b power n. For example, this expression our a, this expression is our b, so that is a power n divided by b power n. Next we use another property, that is when the power is negative, then a power minus n is equal to 1 over a power n. So this will become positive in the denominator, and this will go to the numerator, and the power will become positive. That is x power 4, y power minus 3. The negative power becomes positive when it is written in the numerator. This will be written in the denominator, and the power will become positive. X minus 2, y minus 1, z minus 4. Now here the two numbers are multiplying. We can use the property ab whole power m. We can write a power m b power m. So here x4 power 3 into y negative 3 power 3, and using the same property over here as well, x minus 2 cube y power negative 1 power 3 z power minus 4 power 3. And here we use the property am power n. We have am into n. This becomes x 3 4s are 12, and then y 3 3s are 9, x power minus 6. Similarly here y power minus 3, and here z power minus 12. This can be simplified as we'll write each expression in the form of a positive power. X 12. Now this is x power negative 6. When this is written in the numerator, the negative power will become positive. So we have x power 6. Then this is z power negative 12, so it becomes z power 2. This y is negative, so it will be written in the numerator. This becomes y cube divided by y power 9. This is negative, so it becomes positive in the denominator. Simplifying, we know that when the bases are same, the powers are added. So this becomes x 12 plus 6 is okay, all right, 12 plus 6. When the bases are same, the powers are added. then y cube z power 12 divided by y power 9. 12 plus 6 is 18. This one z power 12 divided by y power 9 into y power minus 3, which becomes x power 18 z power 12. Again, when the bases are same, the powers are added. 9 minus 3, which becomes x power 18 z power 12 y power 6. This is the required simplified form. We can see that each term has a positive power. Now we solve part 4. This can be written as 81 power n into 3 power 5 minus, here using the laws of exponents we can write 3 power 4 n into 3 power minus n, and 243 can be written as 3 power 5. This is 243. 9 power 2n can be written as 9 square whole power n and 3 cube. Further simplifying, 81 power n 3 power 5 minus 3 power 4 n can be written as 3 power 4 power n into 3 power negative 1 into 3 power 5 divided by 9 square is 81 power n into 3 cube. Now 3 power 4, we know that this is also 81, because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 27 3s are 81. 81n into 3 power 5 minus 81n into 3 power minus 1 into 3 power 5 divided by 81 power n into 3 power 3. Now we can see that we can take the term 81 power n and 3 power 5. This is 81 power n and 3 power 5. So we can take this term common from the numerator. We can have 81 power n into 3 power 5. From here 81 power n into 3 power 5 will be cancelled with each other, and we have 1. And from here we have 3 power negative 1. 81 power n into 3 power 5 will be cancelled, and we have 3 power negative 1 divided by 81 power n into 3 power 3. Here 81 power n is cancelled with 81 power n, and from here we can write 3 power 5 into 3 power minus 3. Taking 3 power 3 into the numerator, the positive power becomes negative. And from here we can write 1 over 3. This is 3 power minus 1, so in the denominator it becomes 3 power positive 1. Here the bases are same, so the powers are added. 3, 5 plus minus is minus, and here simplifying, 3 is LCM. Here we have 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3, then multiplying by 1 we have 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Okay, I'll simplify it. Now when we take the LCM, we divide this number, the numerator, by the LCM, that is here 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3, and then this 3 is multiplied with this number, so 3 ones are 3. Similarly, in this case 3 divided by 3 is 1, and then this one is multiplied with this one. 3 power 5 minus 3 is 2, and here we have 2 by 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Again, further simplifying, 3 square, this is 3 power 1, so it becomes 3 power minus 1 into 2. We have 3. Again, bases are the same, so the powers are added. 2 plus minus becomes minus 1 into 2. This is 3 power 1 into 2, which is equal to 6. In the next part of the video, we'll solve question number 2 and 3. Thank you for watching.